Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video on HTML tutorial for beginners. And in this video, we are going to discuss about HTML attributes. So let's see what is an attribute. HTML attribute provides some additional information about HTML element. All HTML elements can have attributes, and attributes should always specified in the start tag. So this is an example of attribute, and it usually comes in the key value pair. So key is href and value is the hyperlink, and here the key is src and the value is image name, and this is what we call it as attribute. And let's go and discuss about the attributes in the HTML element that we already discussed. Let's see the attributes present in the HTML element that we have already written. So href is an attribute that can be used in the anchor tag, and the purpose of href define the URL. So suppose if a user click on the hyperlink, it specifies where the user should be taken to, and that is the purpose of href attribute. And in the image HTML tag, we have multiple attributes. So let's see one by one. First one is src. So src is a source path of the image name. So here we have kept the image in the same folder. So I have specified image.jpg. Let's say we have subfolder and we are moving this to image folder, then we have to specify the folder name images slash image.jpg, so that this image will be pulled and rendered on the HTML file. So next is an alt attribute. So if server is unable to pull the image, then we will see a broken image. So in that case, alt will help user to define what the image is all about. It just gives some extra information about the image if the image is failed to load. So let's see how does the image look like. So this is how the image look like. Let's say I'm just giving some invalid image name just to show you how the alt attribute works. So here we can see a broken image icon is shown, followed by whatever we have given in the alt attribute, and that is the purpose of alt attribute. Let me revert it back. And in the img tag, we can specify the width and height. If you want to fit the image in a particular HTML element, then we can use an attribute called width. This will be specified in pixel. Let's say I want a width to be a 200 pixel and height to be again at 200 pixel. I just want to render this image in a square shape. So just save the file and go over here. Now you can see that the height and the width become 200 pixel. And we have a style attribute, so that we will cover it in the CSS tutorial. And one more thing, so when you are using an attribute, it is always recommended to use attribute name in lowercase rather than uppercase. So and the value should be always enclosed in double quotes. That is a recommended format, but still if you want to use a single quotes, that is perfectly fine. Just in case if your value contain double quotes, then you can go ahead with a single quotes, but the most recommended syntax is to use double quotes for attribute value. And that's it about this tutorial. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.